Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking about stem lock or Floralock. There's different brands, so many different sizes, but they're all gone. I know, frustration. What are the substitutes? Many of us use the Oasis Flow adhesive. That works. But the convenience of the spray, here's a tip just for you, the tulip bunch. Take your 3M Super 77 spray glue and pull out the little black tab that's normally in the nozzle. Go ahead and pull that out. Make it disappear. I used a knife, kind of pull it out, then using a super small straw. It's like a super small drink straw or the straws you might have left over. But you need that super small straw. Then just set that in. Find the perfect spot. There it is. And then you can spray. It gives you the exact same effect as stem lock and Floralock. Now you know how the pros do it.